everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious bell pepper chicken. I'm going to marinate the chicken and then it's going to be super delicious. I have 2 chicken breasts, 2 bell pepper. You can use any color. I'm using green color, or we call it shimla mirch. Onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, tomato sauce, homemade dahi, olive oil for tadka, and spices from masala dabba. I always list my ingredient list under my description, so please check it out. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I cut the bell pepper into nice cube-sized pieces, and same thing with the onion. And as for chicken, I cut into like 1 inch. Ginger, garlic, and green chili, I put it into blender and I made a smooth paste. I will get the mixing bowl. First, bring all the spices: salt, degi mirch, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger, garlic, green chili paste. We're going to add dahi, homemade dahi, and we're going to combine it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is strictly optional. I'm going to use food color, very low amount. You can skip it, but if you add it, and the chicken going to look better. The color looking really nice. Bring chicken. With the help of fork, mix it well. Once all the pieces are nicely combined, it's always a good idea to marinate for longer period of time, but I'll do it for only half an hour. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. I'll add olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, we're going to cook chicken pieces. This is a last piece. Once we place all the chicken pieces, now we're going to cook them really well. Once they're going to start cooking, and as you will see the color will start to change, then we're going to flip them over. As you see, it start to change the color. They're halfway cooked, so we're going to turn these over. Look at these, the pieces are nicely colored. So turn each one of them. So now we're going to let it cook again the same way. As you can see, there is a good indication. There is no more marination. All the dahi has been absorbed by the chicken pieces. And if we turn the chicken pieces over, and you can see it's a nice texture on the other side as well. Very nice. The chicken is fully cooked. So chicken pieces are fully and nicely cooked. So if we can see, this is the biggest piece. If we cut this one, it's nicely cut through. Chicken breast pieces don't take that long to cook. So it's fully cooked. And now in the same pan, we're going to bring bell pepper and onion. Mix them well. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to use tomato sauce. Mix it well, and on high gas, keep it cooking and keep it moving. After adding the tomato sauce, you see there is a gravy. Once the gravy will dry up, that means it's fully cooked. After adding tomato sauce, we cook bell pepper, onion along with the chicken for 5 minutes. It's fully cooked. The oil starts to ooze out. Our chicken, bell pepper chicken is all ready. I'll turn up the gas. I have my platter ready, and I'm going to dish out. Very tasty and very delicious recipe. Please try it, and you're going to like it. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy and very tasty and delicious bell pepper chicken is all ready, and please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.